21st Century Vitamin D3 Review. Description: 25 mcg, 1000 IU. Strong bones and immune supplement. Vitamin supplements. Gluten-free. Guaranteed quality, laboratory tested. Vitamin D3 is essential for absorption of calcium and support bone, teeth, and immune system health. Fights disease. Reduces depression. Boosts weight loss. Suggested use: as a vitamin supplement, adults take 1 tablet daily with any meal or is directed by a healthcare provider. Do not exceed recommended dosage. Individual results may vary. Other ingredients: cellulose, cross-carmellosodium, maltodextrin, stearic acid. Contains 2% of BHT, gelatin, magnesium stearate, silicon dioxide, starch, sucrose, vegetable oil, water. No added yeast, artificial flavors or colors. Warnings: consult a healthcare provider prior to use if pregnant, nursing, on medications, have a medical condition or are planning a medical procedure. Stop use and contact a physician if adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if product appears to be tampered with or seal is broken. Store at room temperature. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.